Okay. P-8I aircraft, as you all know, plays a crucial role in being the eyes and ears of Indian Navy and carries out critical maritime operations, providing India's maritime warriors a significant edge in the strategically important Indian Ocean region. This game-changer aircraft is a potent platform for maritime surveillance, anti-submarine warfare and strike. The aircraft has its footprints towards west, east, south and even northern parts of the Indian Ocean region. The aircraft carries out operations ranging from military, diplomatic, constabulary and benign roles of the Indian Navy. The nation, being preferred security partner of Indian Ocean region, calls upon the Albatross Squadron, being the tip of maritime spearhead for any adversities or requirements in the primary and secondary areas of interest.